Hi, I'm Dr.YVRao, plastic surgeon from Dr.YVRao Clinics, Hyderabad and Vizag. So today I'm doing an operative surgery where her main complaint is complete descent of the eyebrows, especially the outside region, that is lateral eyebrow descent. Normally also when we see eyebrows descend mostly the outer half, not in the first half, that is the median half, the inner half. They descend with the aging. And then what that produces, because of the descent, they come on to the upper eyelashes also, and sometimes if it may be significant enough even to obstruct the eye vision also. So we'll be correcting that one. So what we'll be doing is subcutaneous gliding eyebrow lift. Subcutaneous means just beneath the skin layer. Gliding means we go all the way up to this region, not just limited to the eyebrow. We go on to this region also, and then entire thing we glide them, and then start applying the sutures significantly, subcutaneous, percutaneous sutures. That means we are fixing the skin to the new position. That means we are gliding the skin over the underlying tissues like this, and in that position we fix it in the first 3 to 4 days. Afterwards we remove the sutures. This is called subcutaneous gliding brow lift, which is good compared to just lifting and then leaving it off rather than suturing. So this is the extensive undermining, separating the two layers between skin and the underlying tissues, and moving the skin upwards, that is cranially, and then fixing that in the